My name is Paul Riggs. I'm founder of Santan Family Law. I've been practicing for 32 years in Arizona. I went to law school down in Tucson at U of A. I went to business school at ASU, and I'm an Arizona native, lived here my whole life except for a short time serving in an LDS mission. I gravitated toward family law. I started practicing in general practice back in the days when my father was an attorney. He wanted me to practice with him. He needed me at the time. And he had a lot of family law clients that had come in, and I started gravitating towards that. I realized that was something that I actually enjoyed. As many lawyers don't enjoy this type of work, but I like helping people through their problems and their issues. I was born and raised in Mesa, Arizona. When I finished law school, I moved to Gilbert, Arizona. I have so many friends and acquaintances and family members that live in the East Valley. Santan Mountain was always here. I always looked at it. In a sense, when you look south from where I live, it's there. So I thought it'd be a good geographic name to be utilized for purposes of branding a firm. I grew up in Mesa. I went to Westwood High School. I'm one of 8 children. I'm the 6th. My dad was born in Mesa, Arizona. My mom was born in Safford, Arizona. But most of my siblings live here. I have a wife. I've been married 36 years, almost 37 years. And I have 4 daughters. I have 7 grandchildren and 1 on the way. That's the funnest, is being a grandpa. But I do have hobbies. I do like to go to the gym, but I still get up and run, or I ride bikes, I go golfing. I'm learning to play piano. I'm teaching myself how to play piano with an app on my iPad. I'm actually in the intermediate range at the present time. Went from beginner to intermediate in just a month or two's time. I enjoy music. I've sung in many choirs in the past. I don't do solos anymore, but I've done it in the past. But I've performed in many opportunities with different choirs throughout the valley. I chose family law. It gravitated towards me, but I gravitated towards it as well. I have a tendency to help people in their difficult times. I was always the banker in Monopoly. I always liked the rules. I always like to use the rules to my benefit. In family law, there are lots of rules that people need to understand. I like to argue to a certain extent. I like to do that if it's needed to present my position and represent my client. I'm personally a very passive person. I won't fight for me, but I will fight for others. I do like to fight for those that are victims, those that are downtrodden, those that are struggling in their circumstance. I feel that I'm helping them because they don't have a voice for themselves. They don't know how to make their voice, and I can be their voice in that situation.